Till now we have understand about the parts of the digestive system. Now let us understand about the process of digestion. The digestion process is basically included in four parts or gets completed in four parts. First, digestion. Second, absorption. Third, adsorption. And finally, fourth, digestion. The digestion of the captured food takes place in stomach, duodenum, and intestine. Now we all know that frog is a carnivorous animal and so it feeds on insects, worms. Now this prey is captured by rapid action of the tongue. However, if the prey is large, it is gripped with jaws and prevented from escape. Now the digestion process of the prey occurs. The mucus also helps in swallowing the food. The physiology of digestion in different organs takes place differently. Now let us understand about the physiology of digestion with respect to different structures. As said earlier, the digestion of food takes place basically in stomach, duodenum and intestine. Now this table depicts the enzymes that are secreted by stomach and their function. For example, stomach basically secretes gastrin, HCl, pepsinogen and mucus. Now gastrin is a hormone which helps in stimulating the gastric gland. HCl, as said earlier, it helps in maintaining the pH of the food. That is, it kills, thereby it provides an acidic medium to activate the enzyme pepsinogen. Further, mucus is the substance that lubricates the wall and helps in easy and smoothly digestion of food. Now, the most important of all, the liquefied semi-digested acidic food obtained by the stomach is known as chyme. The next structure that helps in the process of digestion is duodenum. It also secretes various hormones and enzymes, for example, enterogestrone, cholecystokinin, secretin, enterocrinin, diokin, pancreazymin, which has specific function accordingly which has been mentioned in the table. For example, cholecystokinin helps in the contraction of gallbladder, thereby which helps in releasing bile juice further into duodenum. Then secretin, it combines the effect to stimulate pancreas to secrete pancreatic juice into duodenum. Similarly, other enzymes perform specific function which helps in the digestion of food in duodenum. From here, the digested food enters into intestine. In intestine, also various enzymes and hormones are secreted. For example, enzyme maltase, sucrase and lipase helps in the digestion of carbohydrate, then sugar and lipids respectively. Then peptidase also helps in the digestion of proteins. Then apart from the structures of alimentary canal, as said before, digestive glands play an important role in the process of digestion. This figure depicts the importance of digestive glands or these juices and enzymes secreted from the digestive gland and their functions respectively. For example, liver secretes bile juice and bile salts, which helps in the activation of pancreatic enzymes and emulsification of fat. Apart from that, bile juice has an important function in neutralizing the acidity of chyme that is produced at the end of the digestion from stomach. Pancreas is a gland that secretes pancreatic juice like trypsinogen, chymotrypsin, enterokinase. For example, trypsin. It helps in the digestion of proteins into peptides and amino acid. Amylase. It helps in the digestion of amylase and conversion of polysaccharide into monosaccharide. Lipase helps in the emulsification of fats and conversion into fatty acid and glycerol. Then second process after digestion is absorption. In this process, the digested food gets absorbed within the blood. This process mainly takes place in duodenum and ileum, that is takes place in small intestine. Specialized structure known as villi, which are thin in nature, helps in the reabsorption of water, minerals, salts, and thereby increase the absorptive surface and thereby passes into the blood capillaries. Then the final process is adsorption and digestion of food. The digested food, which is absorbed within the blood capillaries, allows the indigested food or debris or waste and feces to get removed through cloacal aperture or cloacal opening. This process is called digestion of food, and thus the entire process of digestion goes on in the same way.